Welcome to day 6, flour alternatives. Now, people have been eating grain products for thousands of years with no problems whatsoever. However, in modern times, they developed a type of wheat, okay, that is a lot smaller than the old wheat, okay, and it has a whole bunch of different proteins in it. And these gluten proteins that are inside of this new wheat, along with the glyphosates that they're spraying the wheat products with, now, wheat products or grain products are very damaging, and they can destroy the gut, particularly if you've got health issues. So now it's a good idea to go gluten-free. Okay, but what do? I mean, don't you like those cookies? What about tortillas? You want to give all that up? No. So we've got a number of different alternatives here. Brown rice tortillas, phenomenal, gluten-free. Cassava tortillas, these things are amazing. You toss these babies in. Now, if this isn't good enough, make your own. Honest to good. This is an amazing wheat mix of organic rice flour, organic tapioca, organic arrowroot powder, sorghum flour. I mean, amazing. You can use it just like you would regular flour. Garbanzo bean flour. You might be thinking, garbanzo beans? Are you kidding? Yeah. Look at what my sweetheart made last night, okay? Don't say they're overcooked. They're freaking delicious, okay? You're talking garbanzo beans, some organic raw chocolate, a couple of nuts in there, and it's amazing. It is vegan and delicious. Tapioca flour, almond flour, coconut flour. There's so many different flour alternatives. Get creative. These are nutrient-packed grains that are phenomenally good and nutrient-dense. Play, and this will give sauces more of a texture. It'll give more substance. I mean, you could toss anything. You put a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of, let's say a little bit of hummus. Ooh, little sliced avocado. How would that be for a lunch? I'm telling you, go with the alternatives. If you have to get wheat products because your family is just going crazy for it, get organic whole grain. Whole grain that has the germ, the bran, I mean all the nutrients that are inside of the standard wheat product. You don't want to get the white flour, and you for sure as heck don't want to get enriched white flour. Those, actually you can cause certain diseases just by eating the white flour. Beriberi, pellagra. All of these diseases came back because of the nutrient deficient foods that we were exposed to. But we've got this plethora of stuff that we can get a hold of, and it's amazing. Get creative, have fun. Oh yeah.